Hello, my dear children. Can we start our new chapter today? Chapter 2 Microorganisms Friend and Foe. You know the meaning of friend. And what do you mean by foe? Foe means enemy. So, here microorganisms can act as a friend and an enemy. You have seen several kinds of plants and animals. However, there are other living organisms around us which we cannot see with our eyes alone. These are called microorganisms or microbes. For example, if you keep bread slices for more than 5 days, especially during rainy season, you may have seen its surface gets covered with grayish white patches like this. Do you know what it is? It is fungus. Fungus is one of the microorganism. Then how can we see it? Here in the bread slices, more than one fungus is grown. So we can see it. When the fungus is in the air, when it is one fungus alone, we cannot see with our naked eye. When it comes contact with any wet object, when it is in contact with our food items, or when it is getting space during rainy season in our raincoat, where it is getting space to live, it needs moisture. That time it will start reproducing its number. So that time it will be more fungi. So we can see it. By using the magnifying glass, we can see the fungus little more clearly. Microbes are very small living organisms that can be seen by only microscope. Microorganisms occur in an amazing variety of shapes and sizes. There are 5 major groups of microorganisms. Bacteria are found in every habitat of Earth, on rock, on ocean, Arctic snow, in our body. Some bacteria live in the soil or on dead plant matter, helps in decomposition. Viruses are in different shapes. Variety of shapes are there. Fungi. Fungi can be single-celled or multicellular. Protozoa. Examples: amoeba and paramecium. They are aquatic in nature. Algae. Algae are green in color. They can perform photosynthesis and make their own food. Example for algae: Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra. Most algae live in fresh or seawater. It can grow on rocks or soil. During rainy season you can see this. Few algae form very close partnership with fungi to form lichen. Microorganisms are classified into 5 major groups. These groups are bacteria, algae, protozoa, fungi and virus. Some of these common microorganisms are shown here. The first group of microorganism, bacteria. There are different variety of shapes are there. Different types of bacteria are there. And next is algae. Algae is autotrophic. They can perform photosynthesis and it can prepare its own food. And protozoa, you know about amoeba. It can change its shape and all. And another one more protozoa is here, like a chapel shape, paramecium. Next is fungi. Three examples are given here: bread mold, penicillium. You know about penicillium, which is used to make antibiotic. Next is aspergillus and viruses. Viruses are also microscopic. They can reproduce only inside the cells of the host organism. Viruses are very tiny. It is smaller than a bacteria. It is much smaller than a cell. When virus entered the cell, it will take the control of that particular cell by entering into the nucleus of the cell and reproduce more viruses in the cell and come out from the cell by bursting the cell and entering to other cells. Like this, it will affect the host organism. Let us perform an activity to understand that microorganisms are present in water. For that, we need a compound light microscope, glass slides, cover slip, cup of pond water, and a dropper. Add a drop of water on the slide by using the dropper. Cover with a cover slip. Avoid air bubble. Place the slide on the stage of the microscope. Move the course adjustment to get the clear image. You can see there amoeba, which is moving by pseudopodia by changing its shape. It will be present in pond water. See another microorganism. It is paramecium. It will move by using the cilia. This water contains many different forms of life. See, microorganisms are moving. Almost most of the microorganisms are present: bacteria, archaea, algae, fungi, protozoa, and viruses living in this water.